The USVI will soon roll out testing for monkeypox across the territory, according to Department of Health Commissioner Justa Encarnacion.
We are very close to being able to test for monkeypox within a territory. So by Friday, we should be able to have monkeypox testing within a territory. That's actually a very big win for us. We have not had any positive confirmed cases, but we have had at least 15 cases that we have been suspect of. So this makes it a lot easier for us.
At Monday's Government House press briefing, the Health Commissioner also announced that the gift cards promised as incentives for COVID-19 vaccinations were finally here.
I am pleased to announce that the incentive gift cards have arrived and are available for distribution to qualified persons from our April incentive program. There's a caveat though. The community health clinics will distribute the incentive cards on a scheduled basis, and persons picking up their incentive cards are asked only to report on the day and time when contacted by the Department of Health. We will need your vaccination card and proper identification when you arrive at your appointment time.
Meanwhile, the territory learned from Human Services Commissioner Kimberly Causey-Gomez that funds for the summer pandemic electronic benefit transfer plan for school children were approved.
Everyone knows since 2020, we've been really actively pursuing the pandemic electronic benefit transfer, or PEBT. It's always been hot, and that's specifically for the nutritional needs for our children and our families. And we've issued about 29 million so far since 2020. But today, it gives me great pleasure to announce that we have the summer 2022 rolling out for PEBT. So what this looks like is that this morning cards were loaded. And that is for eligible children across the territory. It's about $5.6 million total. And this award is an extension of the Food and Nutrition Services, or FNS, which was our approved state plan to operate pandemic EBT for our eligible school children. Again, the school children who receive summer PEBT, you're going to wonder who was enrolled, but you had to be enrolled in a public, private, or parochial school in May of 2022. That would make you eligible for it. If you were not enrolled in school in May of 2022, you're not eligible to receive this. It's a one-time payment this time of $455. So if you don't have your card, you lost it or whatever, and you need help or assistance, there is some instructions. If you do have your card, it's on the back of it. But we have a phone number, 340-772-7120, or email pebt@dhs.vi.gov. with the subject line PEBT, and we'll be glad to help you.
Causey-Gomez also announced plans to roll out the Pandemic Emergency Assistance Program to help those who do not qualify for various assistance programs because of their salary level.
We had some funds that we wanted to make sure that those that didn't really make the cusp of the salary for some of the other benefits, this was helpful. We had an overwhelming response of applications, which took a lot longer that we needed to review and process. So we're going to begin that distribution next week, and we're going to have a formal schedule of who's going to receive what and when, and we'll do that plan by Friday so everybody will understand it, because it's a little bit more complicated than for today's discussion. But we'll make sure it rolls out on Friday, and it'll be delivering beginning next week.